We practice health and regulatory law. What that means in our practice, in a nutshell, is that we help health professionals who are in trouble and help regulators and health providers stay out of trouble. The bulk of our practice is in the area of professional regulation. About half of that practice is defending professionals in regulatory proceedings. The other half of our regulatory practice involves helping regulators.
Representing professionals includes helping them with all manner of things. We help professionals respond to complaints. We help them respond when they're the subject of an investigation. We represent professionals in proceedings before the discipline committee or the fitness to practice committee of their regulator. We help professionals through quality assurance proceedings, such as peer reviews or audits. We help professionals respond to audits of their billings. And we advise professionals on issues that might involve the regulator. This might involve ensuring their practice is compliant with the laws of Ontario and Canada and applicable college policies.
For regulators, we help them by serving as independent legal counsel to committees of the regulators, such as the Discipline Committee or Fitness to Practice Committee. Serving as general counsel, advising them on issues relating to procedural fairness and compliance with the law. Prosecuting allegations of professional misconduct. Training staff and council members on all kinds of things, and representing regulators in proceedings against unauthorized practitioners.
We help healthcare professionals and providers by representing them in disputes with other providers or professionals or in litigation or other proceedings. And we help providers by advising them on the laws and applicable college policies when they're contemplating a new business or other venture. This is especially important when professionals get into business or business people get into healthcare. While the businesses are not necessarily regulated, the health professionals they engage are. So getting advice from lawyers with expertise in health law and professional regulation is crucial.
Another area of our practice is privacy law. We help healthcare providers with privacy, including managing privacy breaches, responding to complaints, and helping them with policies and procedures.
Some of our clients are healthcare providers who work with insurance companies or lawyers or other participants in personal injury litigation. For these clients, we help them by advising them about and helping them to develop effective policies and procedures. We represent them in disputes, whether with clients or insurers or other providers. We advise them on requests for records, and we help them prepare to give evidence in court or before tribunals.
For physicians who work in hospitals, we help them with privileges, managing complaints and disputes within the hospital, and anything else that may not be covered by the Canadian Medical Protective Association.
Mental health law is another area where we help clients navigate the mental health system. Much of the time, this simply involves educating them on how the system works or how they can advocate for themselves or their family members. But we also advise healthcare providers on their obligations and on the tools available to them to help their patients and clients.
Our regulatory law practice also includes helping individuals who participate in or are employed in regulated professions or industries, such as sports.
One of our favorite things to do is to work with other lawyers. We work closely with other lawyers who have clients who are healthcare professionals or who are involved in the delivery of healthcare. We work with criminal lawyers who are representing regulated professionals because the professionals have reporting obligations relating to their charges and because there are regulatory consequences which may impact the outcome of the criminal proceedings and which will flow from a finding of guilt. We work with our family law colleagues who may have to deal with privacy or consent or other issues involving healthcare or healthcare professionals. We work with employment lawyers whose clients are regulated professionals or who work in healthcare because of the professional, privacy, and regulatory issues that may be raised by termination or other actions. And we work with corporate lawyers whose clients are involved in healthcare or whose clients engage regulated healthcare professionals.
In sum, we provide the full gambit of regulatory law services.